This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering the unit and getting a display signal. Plug the Apple TV into power and connect either composite, S-video, or component cables to the TV. Choose the best available for clarity. Turn the TV to the correct input and look for the white status LED. This confirms power. If the unit looks unresponsive, try a different outlet. Once you see the startup screen, position the remote within 3 to 5 feet and prepare your network information so you can move straight into setup. Now you walk through the on-screen setup. Use the remote to select your language and confirm the time zone so metadata displays correctly. Next, choose network. Prefer Ethernet for stability. Just plug a cable and the device typically configures itself. If using Wi-Fi, select your SSID and enter the password carefully. This is where most failures happen. Once connected, the Apple TV will check for updates. Make sure to allow any firmware update. This prevents compatibility issues with streaming services and improves stability. Finish by signing in and testing playback so you confirm everything works. Enter your Apple ID to access purchases and rentals, but you can also skip for local playback. Open a built-in app or play a connected device's video to check resolution, audio output, and sync. If image or sound is missing, reboot the Apple TV and the TV, receipt cables, and switch inputs to isolate the issue. If the remote is unresponsive, replace batteries. If networking fails, try a wired connection to rule out Wi-Fi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.